back to the channel. Hope everybody's doing okay today. It looks nice outside, but it is not. I don't know what's going on with the weather here in Arkansas, but I'm about fed up with it. The reason for today's video is because I was tagged in a tag to Better Get to Know Me. I was tagged by Barbara's Beauty Bag, and I was also tagged by Getting Ready with Nancy. Both of their links will be down in the description bar or box. There are 17 questions, so let's go ahead and get through them. The first one is, how long have you been a YouTuber? I started my YouTube channel in February of 2019, so a little over a year now. Number 2 is my relationship status and how long. I dated my husband for 7 years, and we just had our 2-year anniversary in October of 2019. So 9 years together, 2 years married, 3 years married this October. My favorite color for number 3 is orange. Everybody knows that. I have said that a few times now. Any color orange. Number 4 is your favorite food. I can get down on some Mexican food. Now, I'm not into the spiciness. Since I had my son, my body does not allow me to have that. But Mexican food is my absolute favorite. Number 5 is favorite day of the week. My favorite day of the week is Wednesday. I don't know why. It's always been Wednesday, even when I was a small child. It's the middle of the week. You're halfway done. I don't know. It's Wednesday. I like Wednesday. And it's not because I wear pink on Wednesday. Number 6, favorite outfit. My favorite outfit to wear is when I go dancing with my husband. I love to put on a short mini skirt, mini dress, and my high heels. I do live in Arkansas. I do live in the country, so wearing that type of outfit out here doesn't really work. The gravel roads and the rocks. We grow nothing but rocks in Arkansas, by the way. But when I go out, I love to wear a short mini skirt and my high heels. Number 7, are you an AM or PM person? I am a PM person. I worked too many years on third shift to be an AM person. Even though I haven't done that job in a minute, nobody wants to fool with me in the morning. Number 8, favorite movie. My favorite movie is Gone with the Wind. Number 9, what do you like most about yourself? The thing I like most about myself is I'm a very open person. I'm very easy to talk to. I can see both sides of most people's problems or trouble. I'm not a closed book. It's not a black and white area. I am a gray person. Number 10, favorite song. My favorite song is Crimson and Clover by Tommy James, and it came out in 1968. Number 11, favorite candy. I'm not a chocolate eater. I'm not real big on candy anyway, but my favorite candy is cinnamon gummy bears. Number 12, favorite video to watch. My favorite videos are declutters. I feel like it helps me go through my own and declutter more than I do on my own. So whether it be makeup, closets, shoes, the garage, it doesn't matter. Just decluttering in general. 13, my favorite vacation. My favorite vacation was a trip I took to Mexico with my grandfather when I was 16. He is no longer with us, but he took me and my brothers, and I still have memories of that vacation. So one day I will go back. I'm sure it won't be the same, but that has been my favorite vacation so far. Number 14, the longest relationship. My longest relationship is the one I am in now. I wasn't big on relationships while raising my children. So my longest relationship is the one I am in currently. Number 15, must-have beauty items. Now, I know I have a lot of makeup and beauty products, but I'm not that person that needs it all. My minimal beauty items would consist of makeup, a lotion, a hair tie, and a hairbrush. That would be what I could not live without. Number 16, how many siblings? I have 3 brothers. I am the only girl and I am the oldest. Number 17, hobbies. I like to paint, whether it be oil or watercolors. It doesn't matter. I enjoy painting. And then my other hobby is, of course, my dogs. I am a dog mom through and through, especially since I have raised both of my children now and they are grown and doing their own thing. I concentrate a lot on my dogs. So, in this, I was able to tag 2 people. And since I figured I was tagged twice, I get to tag 4 people. So, with Nancy tagging me, I'm going to tag Coda and Orion's Adventure. And I'm also going to tag Candy Sass. And then with Barbara's tag, I am going to tag Laura Jane Loves Beauty and Mandy's Beauties. So ladies, I hope you accept this tag challenge. And I hope y'all learned a little bit more about me if you didn't know the answers to the questions that were already provided. I do enjoy these tags. It does help us get to know one another a little bit better. That way we can communicate down in the comments or on IG. You are more than welcome to come follow me there, or Twitter, either one. But that is my video for the day. Thank you ladies for tagging me. I hope that this continues and we can all get to know each other a lot better here on YouTube. So if you like this video, please do give it a like. If you're not subscribed, go ahead and hit that bell. It's free. And until next time, y'all stay beautiful, guys. Bye.